Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunday's Cooking. Hope you all are doing well. अभी कुछ ही दिन पहले मैंने Amazon से Impex Pearl Ceramic Coated Non-Stick Cookware Set मंगाया था. In my today's video, I will do unboxing और मैं कुछ डिटेल शेयर करूँगी इस cookware set के बारे में.
So this is how the product will deliver to you in double carton, safely packed. So let's see what do we have inside. So this is the box. So here we have the cookware set and some of the basic information is also given on the box. ये पूरा cookware set 8 पीस का सेट है, including आपके 4 wooden spoons और एक glass lid. So just in $15.99 you'll have one कढ़ाई, one saucepan, one frying pan with a lid and 4 wooden spoons. I really like the finishing and color of the product. बहुत ही अच्छा लुक है एंड इस सॉसपैन का डायमीटर 18 सेंटीमीटर है एंड आप इसकी इनर फिनिशिंग भी देख सकते हैं. बहुत ही प्यारा सिरेमिक कोटेड है. इनफैक्ट इट इज़ 3 लेयर्ड सिरेमिक कोटेड एंड स्पाइरल बॉटम है, फ्लैट है जिससे कि हीट इवनली स्प्रेड होता है एंड यू कैन यूज़ दिस सॉसपैन ऑन इंडक्शन, electric cooktop and even on gas stove. So the bottom is 2.5 mm thick and height is 9 cm, so you can even use it for making soup and sauce. The beautiful frying pan has a height of 6 cm and you can easily make poha, upma or your favorite pan lasagna for a family of 4 to 5 people. So basically the metal used in this cookware set is aluminium जिसमें 3 layered coating की हुई है and the outer layer is coated with ceramic. So just like the saucepan, even the frying pan has a bakelite handle which can make your grip comfortable while you're cooking on it. So even this has a spiral flat bottom. Frying pan का जो weight and size है वो day to day के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा है and that is the best part मुझे इस frying pan का लगा. So the third one is the wok यानी कि कढ़ाई and as you can see इसका भी spiral bottom है, flat है. So you can use it on induction, electric cooktop and gas stove and इसका diameter भी 24 cm है which is equal to the diameter of the pan and bakelite handle है but ये handles मुझे कढ़ाई के हिसाब से बड़े दिखे एंड कढ़ाई का जो वेट है कढ़ाई के हिसाब से मुझे इसका वेट बहुत ही कम लगा. सॉसपैन का वेट 2.5 mm था और इसका 3 mm है, सो विच इज़ नॉट दैट मच हेवी. Any brand of non-stick cookware set requires maintenance, so I would suggest not to use metal spoon while stirring, otherwise the top layer will start chipping off eventually. Along with the set, you are going to receive one anti-skid glass lid which is so beautiful and you can use this glass lid on wok as well as on the frying pan. You also receive 4 wooden spoons. This one you can use for stirring soups or ketchup or anything liquidy when you are making. The second one you can use for flipping parathas, omelette, pancakes. Third one is for deep frying and the fourth one you can use for general stirring. So you will also going to receive a booklet like this which is going to have all the information about the product, like they have mentioned about the bakelite handle which is given in all the 3 vessels like the saucepan, the frying pan and the wok. And the next one is about the non-stick coating which they have in all the 3 vessels. Ceramic pots and pans are supposed to be non-toxic and safe to use as compared to Teflon. Coating Teflon से ज़्यादा safe है because ceramic is nothing but clay जिसे stiff and hard किया जाता है by heat. So the third one is about the induction base which they have in all the 3 pots. And the spiral bottom helps in evenly spreading of heat. And here again they have talked about the coating done in ceramic. Supposedly ceramic cookware does not contain the chemical found in Teflon, and that is the reason it has become more popular over conventional Teflon coated cookware. And it's ISO certified as well. And it says it's PFOA free, which is basically a man-made chemical. Since 2013, most of the companies have stopped using PFOA while coating their cookware. So whatever non-stick cookware you're using, it is highly important to maintain them nicely in terms of especially cleaning them, क्योंकि non-stick की cookware को हम metal scrubber से clean नहीं कर सकते हैं. So whenever you have to clean a non-stick pot or vessel, it is supposed to be cleaned with any soft sponge. So here it says the warranty for 1 year. So if you are buying ceramic coated non-stick cookware set from Impex, it is going to be a good deal for you, since the quality of the cookware set is good and they are charging just 1599 rupees for the whole set. With proper maintenance, 3 से 5 साल तक आसानी से इस cookware set को यूज़ किया जा सकता है.